Baileigh 30-ton H-frame pneumatic shop press, HSP-30A. Honest proof it delivers. What if your shop press is the one thing quietly holding your entire workflow hostage? Every stuck bearing, every stubborn bushing, every transmission job that drags into a 2-hour ordeal because your press flexes under load or runs out of force at exactly the wrong moment, that is a real cost, not just in time, in frustration, in rework, in jobs you turn away because your equipment simply cannot handle them. Have you been settling for less than your shop actually deserves? Here is what that daily grind actually looks like up close. You line up the workpiece carefully, begin applying pressure, and then the frame starts to flex, subtly at first, then noticeably. And suddenly, your press is moving the part sideways instead of driving it true. You reset, you reposition, you try again. Maybe you get it close enough this time. But close enough in a professional shop environment means rework, ruined components, and jobs that steadily eat your profit margin one compromised press on at a time. The frustration compounds quietly over months. Underpowered presses max out exactly when you need them most. Manual operation drains your energy on repetitive jobs. You spend more time fighting the machine than doing productive, billable work. Some shop owners accept all of this as normal. It absolutely is not. The right press should feel like a direct extension of your skill, powerful, precise, and completely predictable under full force. Most people never realize how much a bad press is costing them until they finally experience a genuinely great one. Then everything changed the moment I put the Baileigh 30-ton H-frame pneumatic shop press, HSP-30A, on the shop floor. Here's what actually works. Do not just pick any shop press. Make sure it has a fully welded rigid steel H-frame so you never experience that terrifying mid-press flex destroying your work, your components, and your confidence again. The HSP-30A delivers 30 tons of pressing force on paper. And here's the thing. Independent testing confirms it actually exceeds that rating by 4 verified tons, reaching a documented 34 tons of real-world output. The fully welded steel frame eliminates flex completely under full load, meaning every single press is accurate and fully repeatable. The dual pneumatic and manual operation lets you move fast on repetitive high-volume jobs and then smoothly switch to hand pump precision when the task demands real delicacy. The cylinder shifts left and right within the frame, giving you genuine off-center pressing capability that most shop presses simply cannot offer at any price. The 21.65-inch working width gives you real room to position large components without battling geometry constraints. Automatic piston return, a built-in pressure gauge, and included V-blocks complete a thoughtful, professional package. One machinist pressed stubborn bearings from a 10-lug trailer hub and... The trust built around this machine is not manufactured. It is earned through consistent, documented results across real working shops. NG Market tested the HSP-30A hands-on under demanding conditions and awarded it a verified 9.3 out of 10 score, plus an Editor's Choice designation, describing it as built like a tank and ready for full 30-ton workloads. That is not a casual phrase. That is a tested conclusion. A verified Amazon customer called it flat out a beast, adding that it paid for itself almost immediately after being put to serious work on transmission and axle jobs. A machinist active on Practical Machinist, running Baileigh equipment daily, simply confirmed it has performed perfectly for years. A Green Tractor Talk forum member who documented the full unboxing praised the clean welds, quality hardware, and flawless powder-coated finish with 0 missing parts and 0 shipping damage. The HSP-30A currently holds 4.8 out of 5 stars across nearly 20 verified Amazon reviews. The Baileigh 30-ton H-frame pneumatic shop press, HSP-30A, turns an underperforming shop setup into a precision powerhouse that handles the heaviest pressing jobs with calm, repeatable force day after day. Serious shop owners and professional machinists who have made the switch consistently describe it as the last press they will ever need to purchase. Join the shops already running this machine with complete confidence every single day. I have dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it at the top of the comments. Just click and see for yourself. Your shop genuinely deserves a press that keeps up.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.